Hi, I am Simant Kumar, and I am a software engineer having 6 year of experience. So, no matter here, w- I am going to elaborate what is Mockito framework. But before elaborating Mockito framework, we need to know some terms in this video and in my next video. I will integrate Mockito framework into our Spring Boot application and perform unit testing also. So let me start here. And the first term is what is unit testing and why we need unit testing. So here, unit testing plays a very important role in our development life cycle. So we can say that testing, with the help of unit testing, we can give a surety that my function or component works fine with a with an expected input. My function gives an expected output. This kind of a surety given by unit testing. So this is the advantage of unit testing, and this is also a big concept. Just if we considered TDD approach, then in TDD approach, first we need to write our all test cases, and based on the test cases we need to start our development and implement the test cases into our development life cycles. Yeah. So but these days unit testing is a extra stuff of developers that a developer need to write mm, mm, uh, test cases. So but the other side, this gives a powerful advantage of our software life cycle or development life cycle. So first here, what is mock and what is mocking? So mock object is just a clone of our real object. And mocking is a process by which we can convert real object into mock or clone object. And in general way we can say that developer use mock object instead of real object to perform unit testing. Mock object work with dummy input and also produce a dummy output. And now, the important question is why unit testing? Why we need mocking? Sorry, why we need mocking? So just to understand this term, that why we need mocking, let us consider an example. In your team, you have to develop a component A, and your teammate need to develop a component B, and you also responsible write the test case of your component A, but your component is dependent to the other component called B. So uh, uh, here uh, here are the two things. First, you should wait until the other component named B is completed. After completion of the component B, mm, you are only able to start to write your test cases. So so first thing is this, that you should wait until the completion of other component, and second is this, that you should go with mocking concept. In mocking concept, just you provide your function with a object, and execute your test cases fine and well. So here, uh, just uh, just make a mock response of component B and pass the same mock response to your component A and perform the testing. This is the concept of mocking, and also we can say that in testing we do not need to communicate with database again and again. So here is also mocking concept is uh, e- mocking concept is used, that actually mocking is just um, mock your um, component and provide a dummy object to the other dependent component. This is mocking. So now what is Mockito framework? Actually Mockito framework is a open source framework under the license of MIT. And Mockito uh, framework is also work with the concept of mocking. Mockito generates a mock object of a specific interface by using Java Reflection API. With the help of Reflection API, Mockito framework generate a mock object. You do not need to bother about creation or generation of mock object. For actual implementation, mock object use a dummy or a proxy object. So this is about Mockito framework. Uh, as I think I have uh, mentioned the all small term and also a basic introduction of these terms. Now, in our next video, I will integrate Mockito framework into our Spring Boot applications. So, thanks to listening me.